Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to another, multitask episode of Hands On with BLG. I am BLG, I am lefty, and I am righty. We're canning, in the middle of canning the Boston baked beans. Working on it. 10 minutes. Gotta get the air out. She's worried about the steam. See, it's going. It's got 7.5 minutes to go. See the steam flying up out of there? That's getting the air out. We're purging air at the moment. So anyways, we're going to make potato salad now. A simple, easy potato salad. What we got here is a couple of russet potatoes, because that's what kind of taters we got. I leave the skins on them. So what I'm going to do is we're going to dice these up into chunks. Cubes, if you will. Yes, I see the little weird end. It's alright. I'll get them. Cut the bad part out. These are kind of old, so I'm going to use them up anyway. Get that out of there. Get that out of my face. That's not bad. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm just going to cube them up here. Like so. Like so. Like so. Cube these guys up. Not too big, not too small, but just kind of cubed. That's good. Get some of this across here. Only making enough for me. Mama can't have potato salad. I can. So that's what we're making. You're done. Cube up this potato about there. And I'm going to go this way. Show you a little safer way to do her. Safer way to do her. Do her. Alright, take that one out of here. Too thin, we'll take that one out. We'll make that one work. Keep them all about the same. They get better, more even cooking time. They cook more evenly if you try to keep them roughly the same size. There we go. Dice this guy up. That guy, that guy, that guy. Go that way. This way. Looks good. And we'll take these guys in half. Just like that, right? Now, if you follow me, boiling water. I'm going to put some salt in this here water right now. Pretty decent amount of salt. That in the water. We're going to take our potatoes, our potatoes, whoop, into the water they go. Boil them up. Now we're not going to boil these till they're super soft. These are just going to boil up till they're kind of tender. Alright? So that'll probably take, once they're boiling here, that'll probably take about 7 minutes or so. So I'll see you when these are kind of boiled up tender and ready to strain. Be right back. How much time we got on that? Alrighty folks, while that's all going over there in the potatoes, I don't have any onions ready. What we're going to do, we're going to get us an onion out, dice up some onion. I like to cut it down like that, this little ways, and all this skin and stuff. I'll take off the first couple of coats off of this onion itself. It'll peel that skin off of there pretty easy. See? Bingo. And we're not going to use all this onion, of course, but I'm going to cut it in half, dice that bad boy up, and we'll use that in our potato salad. Like so. I'm going to cut him in half. Set that over here. There's a piece of fucking onion skin. Get off of me. Now I'm going to cut him this way. Said, keeping your fingers tucked back. Kind of wing the last one like that. That's pretty good. Dice these bad boys up a little. Like so. Like so. Just kind of rough dice. Nothing fancy. Not minced. Just kind of cut. Looks pretty good. Right. So this over here. Take you two. Kind of hit them like this. Alright, there's going to be our onion for our tater salad. We'll scrape him over here. Just like that. Good, good, good. Excellent. Okay, now, pickles. I don't have any dill pickles. Well, I do. I don't have any whole pickles. But I have sliced pickles I made. And take some of these guys. They're getting hard to reach. One more. Two more. Three more. That'll do. Pickles. Love my dill pickles. Put that right, y'all. Put that right, y'all. Now I'm just going to take the knife. I'm going to mince the shit out of this a little bit. Run over it this way. See, I'm using the back of the knife and the front to rock it. Mince that up. Run through it that way. There's my pickles ready for the salad. So now we're waiting for the taters to cool off and everything. And I'll see you when they get ready and strained. Okay, folks, we're back on the potato salad, the simple potato salad. And I'm going to put the strainer and sink right here. Our potatoes have come to where they're just tender enough to get a fork through nicely. So off the taters come. And into the strainer we go. And like that. And we're going to run cold water over these. Cool them off. Then they're going to go in a bowl or something. They'll go in this, will be fine. We're going to cool them off real good. Strain them and stop the cooking process. We're going to put them in here anyway. Make sure they're strained a little better. And they go like that. Bingo. Now, I'm going to hold the camera very strangely. Into the fridge. Into the fridge. See, they're going to cool off in there if they stay. Will the door shut? Yes. Okay, those are going to cool off for about a half hour, 40 minutes or so. And we'll see you back to make the rest of the potato salad. Okay, folks, we're back to the potato salad. How about that? Potatoes are all nice and cool. We're going to put them in this bowl right chopped. Just like that. Now, remember our diced pickles and onions? Just like that. In they go. Nothing fancy about it. Just a basic potato salad. Not doing much. Now, we're going to take some mustard. Mustard, any kind you like. Yellow mustard, brown mustard, don't care. Mustard. We're going to put some mustard up in here. Like that. We'll take some mayonnaise. Miracle Whip, mayonnaise, whatever you want. Dollop some of this up in here. Do a little smattering. About a 50-50. Want to see what this looks like? Stir it up nice and light. Just kind of flip and mix. Flip and mix, baby. And alright. I'm liking this. Give me a second. I would like to put a little bit of pepper in here. In the potato salad. Because I like pepper. I believe I'm going to sprinkle just a touch of garlic in here. Because I like garlic. Like that. Where are you? Where are you, you bastard? I believe I'm going to sprinkle just a touch cayenne pepper in here. Just a touch. Because I like that. And a little sprinkle of paprika. Because I like that. Mix it with a spoon. I'm just going to mix it. Round and round. Just like this. Looks all good. Then all mixed up nice. Boom, there you have it. A nice, easy potato salad. You can go lighter on the mayonnaise side if you want to. I kind of like it more of the yellow potato salad, but you can use more mayonnaise than mustard. if you want to. Shit, you can use ketchup. I don't care. Your potato salad. Do what you want. So anyways, that's it for the potato salad episode. How to make potato salad with BLG. Hope you liked the episode. Appreciate y'all sticking around. We're up to 310 subscribers as of this morning. Thank you so much. And keep the train rolling. So, till the next time, people, I'm Lefty. I am Righty. And for Hands On with BLG, for BLG, I am BLG. Till the next time, people, peace out. Just peace out. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.